So moving up in our Linux video series, we reached to the shell substitutions. So if you wonder what they are and how to use them, stick with me. Hello and what's up guys, Medium Guy here. I hope you're enjoying my video series. So far we have learned a lot of things, a lot of useful things, and in this video we'll see what are shell substitutions and how to use them in our bash scripts. So without any delay, let's get down to work. So first of all, I'll hit ls. In here I have all the files for the previous videos, so I'll put the repository link down below so you can access all the files and all the configurations that I create in my videos. So first thing, I'll try to create a file. As always, I'll try to address the /bin/bash. So the first substitution method is that when the shell sees a special character and tries to substitute some things with other things that might have their own meanings. So like for example, we have the \n, which will try to create a new line. So I'll try to say echo hello from \n bash script. So basically \n stands for a new line, and normally I should get hello from and a new line bash script, but let's see it in action. As always, I'll say chmod +x substitution.sh, and if I hit ./substitution.sh, in here I see that the substitution did not work correctly, and the reason being that for the echo command I should pass a -e, so it will understand that I'm using some special characters and I need substitutions in my running command. So I'll save it. Again, I'll try to run it, and this time I see that I get a new line exactly where I was expecting. So I'll go back to editing the file. So another special character, we have \a, which will try to make an alert. So if I run it, I get an alert. I hope you can hear it from the video. Again, if I move back in here, we have the \t, which will try to make a tab. I'm going to run it again, and as we can see over here, we have a tab which was exactly the \t. So we have another one which is the vertical tab, \v vertical tab. I'll save it. If I run it again, in here we see that the \v has made a new line, and it is started from exactly the same location that it wanted to continue in the previous line. So next one, we have the \c, which will remove the trailing new line. So basically after this echo there won't be any new line because I put the \c at the end of it, and the next echo will be appended to the same line for the \c. So I'll save it. Again, if I run it, here we have the hello from, which is the \c line, and there is no new line for the next echo, as we can see it over here. So next up we have the command substitution. So like for example, if I want to declare a variable, I'll say date equals to now is date. So basically this is a normal string, and the date that is written between the backtilt will be the result of the date command. If I want to echo it, I'll say $date. I'll save it, and if I run it, I get the now is, which is the prefix string to the exact same date command. So another way to do exactly the same thing is that I say date equals to now is, I'll hit $parentheses date and closing parentheses. Again, if I say echo $date, I'll save it, exit, fire run it. I see that I get the exact same result. So with that, that's it for this video. That's all about the substitutions that I have for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to watch my other videos also. And of course, if you have any questions, I'm down below in the comment section. So with that, I hope to see you in the next videos.